So welcome back to my channel. Today, this video guide covers fixing Intel Skylake Graphics on desktop and laptops for Macos Sonoma and Macos Ventura. By following this guide, you'll be able to achieve full graphics acceleration on your Macos, maybe laptop or desktop. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started with the topic: how to enable Intel SD graphics 515, 520, 530, 540, 550, and 580 on Macos Ventura and Sonoma. Macos supports a wide range of Intel SD graphics, but some of them might work in Macos Ventura or Sonoma. If you are using Skylake or Intel 6th generation processor to install Macos, then Intel SD graphics will not work. So in this video, we will spoof Skylake to Kaby Lake to access the full graphics acceleration. So first of all, just open your browser and go to the website, check Sudama.in, and here just hover over on PC, and here you'll find how to enable Skylake graphics and Intel SD graphics. Just open, and from there you'll get the full description. So the first thing is you will have to set your BIOS to these following parameters, and then you'll have to download this text, Lily and whatever green. So to download this, just go to your browser. On your browser, search for .nia and just open this very first link. Click on Get Started. Click on Creating the USB, then click on Gathering Files. Just scroll a little bit, and here you'll find Lily. Just open it and scroll a little bit again, and here you'll find whatever green. Just open it. Just click on the latest. Now from there, only download the release version. Also the Lily, click on the latest, click on the release and download it. Now you will need another thing, that is OpenCore Configurator. OpenCore Configurator downloading link will be given in the description. Now just open this OpenCore Configurator. Now you will have to click on Tools, click on Mount EFI. Now you'll have to click on Mount Partition. Put your MacBook password and click on OK. Now again click on Open Partition. Now open this EFI folder, go to OC and go to Text for the file here. Now right click on Finder, click Downloads. Download is opened. Just double tap on the two zip files. Both are extracted. Now you can delete these zip files. Open whatever green folder. Now from there, select whatever green.txt. Right click on it, select copy and go to here, paste it. If whatever green is already there, click on replace because it's the latest version, and go back to the folder, go to Lily folder, and from there select lily.txt, right click on it, copy and paste it to this EFI folder. If it is already there, click on replace because it's to the latest version. Now close this folder. Now it's done. Go back to this folder, and now just right click on the config.plist, hover over on open with and select your OpenCore Configurator. If any OpenCore release version is newer, then click on OK. It will be downloaded. It's done. Close notifications. Now put this right here. Open this browser. Scroll a bit. Now here you'll have to click on the BIOS properties. Now click on the drop down. Select VGA compatible controllers. And now you will have to find this line, PCI 0x2, 0x0. This is the right. Now you'll have to add these lines to here. Click on the plus. Okay, now click, double tap on here, paste them. Now here, if you are using laptop, then this is the value, and if you are using desktop, then this is the value. I'm using a desktop, then I'll have to copy this, double tap on value and paste it here, and make sure here is as data. Now again select the device ID, copy, double tap on here, paste it. If you're spoofing Skylake to Kaby Lake, then you'll have to add frame buffer size. Just copy this. And here, if you want to set the frame buffer size as 9 MB, then you'll have to select this. And if you want to select your frame buffer size as 40 MB, then you'll have to select this. To enable this frame buffer patching, just copy this, paste it there. Now set this ID. You select one of them. This is the last. And from here, drop down, select it as string. Now scroll a bit again. If you face any error screen flickering, then you'll have to add this value. Select this. Now half of the job is done. Select this remaining line, click on minus. It's done. Now go to platform, If you are using a laptop, then you'll have to select MacBook Pro 13.1, MacBook Pro 13.2, or MacBook Pro 13.3. Or you can also use MacBook Pro 15.1 and later, or Mac Mini 8.1 and later. For desktop, you can use iMac 17.1 or 19.1 or later. Now from this drop down, you'll have to select, as I have mentioned earlier. I'm selecting iMac 18.1. After selecting, click on Generate. Also, click on here Generate. And now, which PC you're using, if there is a dedicated graphics card. If you're using a laptop, then you'll have to this command on boot orgs. Now let me tell you. Now it's done. Now go to NVRAM. Select this third line and here you will say boot orgs. If you're using a laptop with a dedicated GPU, then you will have to add this command. Then you have to this boot orgs to here. And if you're using a desktop which have dedicated graphics card, then you will have to add this command to the boot orgs. Just select this command from -no to check. If you're selecting this line, then you'll have to select this. Also for this to this, just select them and right click on them, copy and double tap on here, give a space and right click and paste them here. It's done. Now you'll have to click on kernel and here you'll have to add your whatever green and little text that you have downloaded the latest version. Now click on here scan and browse. Select the no name, click on EFI, click on OC, click on text and now click on open. Now all are added. Now you have to click on check text. All are placed in order. Now you will have to click on file, click on save. Now it's saved. Now close it. Now you will have to restore your PC and after restoring your PC you will see graphics acceleration is working fine.